Thursday, 8:44. I've been up since 7. I haven't been myself for some time now. I have been feeling like I'm not doing enough for me, and even with the little I'm doing, I feel like it's not enough. And this is like a very realistic time in my life where I don't feel 100% me, and it happens. My life is not perfect. I'm not always how you guys see me. Sometimes I get like this, and I just wanted to show bits of that part of my life where it's not perfect, but I'm going to try and do things to get my life together. Right now, my room is in a mess, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to arrange my room, take my things to the laundry, and we'll start from them. Then I'll go and get groceries. I'll go and fix my nails. I wanted to fix my hair today, but I don't think that'll be possible. So I'll just go get groceries, fix my nails, and then get pizza or something and come back home. But I need to arrange my room. Let me show you guys my room. Please don't judge me. This is not me. If you know me, you even know I have OCD, but this is really not me. So let me show you guys my room. There's literally everything on my bed. The reason why I've moved my shoe boxes from there is because when it rains, water comes into my room. I've called my landlord so many times to get it done. Like, she needs to fix it. Everything is just in my bed. I'm going to arrange my bed, take my stuff to the laundry, and we'll start from there.
you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause it's time. Hold you for right now.
Hey guys, so I got home like 4 hours ago. It's 8 something the last time I checked. So I got home around 4 or 5 I think. And when I got home and I was like trying to like unpack the things I got from Milcom, I noticed my period had come. So I went to buy pod. And it kind of explains why I was feeling like how I was feeling this morning. So I kind of understand why I was feeling like that. Let me show you guys my nails. My nail tech did this and I love it so much. These are like my second favorite nails from here. My first favorite nails were my birthday nails last day. I love those nails so much, and these are my second favorite nails. They are so pretty. I'll leave her handle, her number in the description. She's around Medina Obojo. She's really good. She's very affordable too as well, so you guys contact her for your nails. I'm going to take a shower, do my nighttime routine, pour myself a glass of wine, light a candle, watch the ultimatum, and then go to bed. That's going to be my nighttime routine for today, because I don't think I want to be out. I wanted to go out for a game night at Elite Bar, but with my cramps and everything, I really don't think I want to be out. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing before I go to bed.
Got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to let you go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. Your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction.